Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2019 onwards, Exercise 3.6, Question number 3. Show that the equation x49 minus 5x45 plus 4x44 plus 2x square plus 1 equals 0 has at least 6 imaginary roots. Here, question number 3. Let p of x equal x49 5x45 plus 4x44 plus 2x square plus 1. Now let us check for signs. Here positive, negative, positive, 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 like here first positive, negative, positive, positive, positive. Now here positive to negative, one change, negative to positive, the second change. Here therefore there are two sign changes. There are two sign changes in p of x. That is, the p of x has two positive real root. Positive real roots. Then consider p of minus x equal minus x power 9 minus 5 into minus x power 5 plus 4 into minus x power 4 plus 2 into minus x power 2 plus 1. Now here negative power of minus, that is negative, that is minus x power 9, like that, negative negative positive 5x power 5 plus 4x power 4 plus 2x. Now the signs minus, positive, positive, positive. Here negative to positive one changes, after that no changes, therefore p of minus x has two sign changes, as at most two sign changes. Therefore, it has two. That means it has two. That is p of x have as two negative real root. Now let us discuss the degree. Degree of p of x equal 9. Since the maximum power of x is here, maximum power of x is 9. Therefore, now number of imaginary roots equal number of positive roots is here number of positive root is 1, that is degree minus number of positive root is 1, number of negative root is 2, so 9 minus 3 is 6. So therefore p of x has at least 6 imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. Now, fourth question. Determine the number of positive and negative roots of the equation x power 9 minus 5x power 8 minus 14x power 7 equals 0. Here, question number 4. P of x is x power 9 minus 5x power 8 minus 14x power 7. Now, the signs positive, negative, negative. Here there is one sign changes, that is positive to negative. Therefore, P of x has only one sign changes, sign change. Therefore, we can say P of x has only one sign, only one positive root, has at most one positive root, at, at most one positive root. Then we'll consider P of minus x equal minus x power 9 minus 5 minus x power 8 minus 14 minus x power 7. So we have minus x power 9 minus 5x power 8 and negative negative positive 14 x power 7. Here sign negative negative positive. Here there is only negative one sign changes. Therefore, we can say that general P of x has as here the P of x has P of minus x has only one sign change. Therefore, in general, you can say P of x has one positive real root and one negative real root. Now, question number 5. Find the exact number of real zeros and imaginary of the polynomial x power 9, 9x power 7, 7x power 5, 5x cube plus 3x. Question number 5. P of x, x power 9 plus 9x power 7 plus 7x power 5 plus 5x cube plus 3x. Now sign positive, positive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no sign changes. There is no sign changes. That means no positive real root. P of x has no positive real root. Then consider P of minus x equal minus x power 9 plus 9 minus x power 7 plus 7 minus x power 5 plus 5 minus x power 3 plus 3 minus x, which gives minus x power 9 minus 9x power 7 minus 7x power 5 minus 5x cube minus 3x. Here signs minus, 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 minus. Here no p of minus x has no sign changes. Therefore, we can say p of x has no negative real root. Now the degree of p of x equals 9. That means the highest power of x is 9. That is, therefore, the number of imaginary roots equal equal 9 minus 0 positive root, 0 negative root, therefore equal 9. Therefore, number of imaginary root is 9. Number of positive real root is 0. No real root, positive real root, no negative real roots. There are 9 imaginary roots. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.